I love the colour of it. My phone camera isn't the best, like the colour is a bit different in person, but it's a lovely colour. Sort of bluey grey. Definitely looks more green on here. Just pan over here. I mean, there's thunder happening, but not very often yet. Hoping it gets more frequent. Hoping we get to see some streaks of lightning. Hoping I can get thunder or lightning just before I get to a minute. This might even go past next to me, just with the rain not quite falling on me, so it'd be great to film because then I can see the lightning. I mean that's if the lightning's out of the rain, which it probably isn't going to be. That is a lovely colour. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell from watching this either, but it's really, really hot as well. Come on, do something. Does seem to be having a bit of a lull now. I'm not sure how long I should get this video to. I'm going to keep going a bit longer. I bet the second I stop there's thunder or something and I miss it. What's that bee doing? Oh, you can't really see it. I wonder what animals think. They must not like it. I know frogs love rain, but I don't think they love thunder. Yeah, let's see what the frogs are doing. Are they all gone? Yeah, it looks like they're all gone. They're all undercover. They must be. I think it's. I just got stung by nettles. Yeah, thunder scares a lot of animals a great deal, including Rocky the big white cat. Actually, it scares him a lot. There's a traffic noise. I was going to just stop filming because there's no thunder at the moment, but this is like a really nice colour, like a really nice skyscape. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna cut the video to an end here, but if anything else happens, I'll film again.